said hi. What would you say to a friend or to a stranger you want to be friends with in Filipino? How will you?
Kumusta ka?
What does that mean?
Hello.
And then, what's next?
Hindi ka.
Okay, I'm gonna pretend to be the stranger. Mabuti naman. Anong pangalan mo?
Ako si Jeday.
Gusto mo bang maglaro? Do you know what that means?
Wow, I don't understand mabuti naman.
What's
You wanna
gusto?
play?
Yes. Oh, you respond in Filipino.
I don't know. Yes or no.
You know that. Oh, take time to.
Tama.
Tama is correct.
Well, how do you say great?
Oh, you choose which is yes. Sige. Or oo.
Oo.
Pareha, you can use both actually. Okay, how do you say, come on, let's play? Do you remember?
Ay, 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 ay.
How do you say come on in Filipino? Remember?
Well, I know. I think now I forgot how to say play.
Laro.
Laro. Come here.
Halika, laro tayo.
Halika. Laro tayo.
Okay, what other Filipino words do you know now? Or sentences? How do you-
Hindi ko alam.
What does hindi ko alam mean?
I don't know.
How do you say, what did you say? What is what in Filipino? Ano? What?
Anong sabi mo?
Okay. How do you say, uwi na tayo? I said that. What's the meaning of uwi na tayo?
Let's go na.
Let's go where?
Nowhere.
Let's go home. Oh, there are birds up there. Okay.
That was a
What
big
else?
one.
If you're gonna teach someone who doesn't know how to say, to speak in Filipino, what words will you teach that person?
Hindi ko alam.
I don't know.
No, that's what I'm gonna teach him. I don't know.
Okay. Anything more? Maybe two more? What do you think you should, another person should learn immediately
Oh,
in terms of speaking
Ow.
in Filipino? Huh?
anong panalang mo?
Okay. And then, one more.
I think, kamusta ka?
Okay. What do those things mean? What's kumusta ka mean?
Hello.
How are you? Kumusta is also how are you. Okay. How do you say?
Bien, gracias.
How do you say goodbye?
Hindi ko alam.
Paalam. Say
Alam.
paalam.
Alam.